Hey chickies, it's Sunday, so that means it's Sunday Faves and Nays. These are the products I tested out for the week. We'll give you my honest feedback, so I hope you'll join me and stick around for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine. I curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. I greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, hit that bell to be notified of new videos. I actually mentioned this product in a Trader Joe's haul. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up here in the card area. Forgot to save the box. Pleasantly surprised with this. It's the chocolate croissant from Trader Joe's. This is a pack of 4. I think it retails for like $4 and some change. Put it on a cookie sheet. You let it rise overnight. It literally quadrupled in size. Put some egg wash on top. Oh my goodness, they are absolutely delicious. The texture of the croissant itself reminds me so much of a cheese roll from Porto. So let's move on now to some beauty products from the brand Profusion Bling It On Glitter Eyeliners. So the first shade we have here is called Gold Rush. It has a brush tip applicator. Let me swatch it so you can see what it looks like. And then we have Crystal Diamond, which I am wearing today, like right underneath my eyeliner. Let's see. I did a terrible swatch of these. We're not doing it justice. So here are swatches of Gold Rush and Crystal Diamond. Now, when they sent these to me, I was a little bit skeptical just because I've never really found a glitter eyeliner that I've liked. Very pleasantly surprised with how easy they are to use, and it has to do really with the applicator. So the applicator itself is a brush tip, but the thing I like about it is that it's not so flexible where it's gonna go all over the place. It's definitely a bit stiffer where you have some control. This is like the perfect in-between. Want to just first apply like one layer and then you let it dry completely. When you let it dry completely, you can go over it again with a second coat, and that will make it a lot more intense. Once it sets, it definitely stays in place. They're also a cruelty-free brand. I also wanted to mention a lip combo that I've been really enjoying. I had a couple of questions on what lip gloss I was wearing in the Pantene Dry Foam shampoo video. The liquid lipstick that I was wearing in that video and then what I'm wearing today is from the brand Pixie Beauty, collaboration with Miriam Maquillage. And this is in the shade called Posh Nude, which I have talked about a couple of times already in a Sunday Faves and I think also an Obsessions video because it's a gorgeous color. And I also really love the formula of the Pixie Matte Last liquid lipsticks. Really beautiful nudie pink lip color that dries to a matte finish. Go over top with a lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. Now I filmed a whole review and lip swatch video on the Fenty gloss bombs. If you haven't seen it, I will link it right up here in the card area. However, I've been really enjoying the shade Fussy. Let me actually apply some over top so you can see the combo. Now I understand why Fussy is all the rage, because it is a really pretty color. It's not sticky. It has a nice sweet taste to it, and the shine on this is just incredible. I gotta say that I've been really enjoying this lip combo. Quick giveaway for the Pixie Miriam Maquillage lip kit. This is the night kit. This actually includes the Matte Last liquid lipstick in the shade Posh Nude, but it also includes the liquid fairy lights in the shade Starry Night. I also love wearing this one all over the eyes because it is a liquid eyeshadow. The rules on how to enter down below in the description box. So let me know what items have you guys been testing out this week? Any faves or nays you'd like to share? I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. I would love for you to be a part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.